Hello guys, hope you're doing good. So today is Thursday and I want us to cook dinner together. I'm not sure what I'm gonna cook, but beetroot is part of it. I think beetroot, butternut and chicken and pega, but let's do this together. So we're going to cook and we're also going to work. I'm trying to multitask. There's something that I need to send emsebenzini. So sizazenza zonke ngexesha elinye. Also, we went to a tomato farm. Which is the biggest in the country, or it's biggest in the Eastern Cape, I'm not sure. So I have fresh tomatoes. So now that we have fresh tomatoes, I'm thinking butternut, beetroot, Greek salad, and koshoba banbalapa baza fruit. But we are going to have a tomato gravy. Yeah. I don't know, we don't have to eat tomato namhlanje. Okanye manisebenzise some of tomato because it's not a lot. Some of tomato for salad namhlanje and use some of it for tomato gravy. Ngelinye ixesha when I cook. The plan is to eat less or to eat healthy. I don't know. Something to eat less or to eat healthy sizabon. That's the plan. But here and there was yes, but we're going to throw mpokoko here and there, we're going to throw papa. So I'm thinking ukuthi any tomato and the tomato gravy ngenye imini senze nepapa. I'll ask my uncle umalume wami uyathanda uzade bridesmaid. So ngizambuza if this weekend akazuza nayo na beze nayo last week. So I don't know, but I'm praying and hoping that even if I can't a bride meat, it's okay. I can always throw something in the oven. Then the papa and tomato gravy. Yeah, let's check kukuti. Sizopheka ntoni? Okay, we have butternut. We have beetroot. Spare the chopping board. Spaghetti melon. And let's get something to put on. To put this wedge. A bowl. Okay, let me use this to put. First things first, masiqale ngebhitruthi ukwenza ukuba ibile. Iyabonakala banayo ke kudabile lapha le bhitruthi. So let me use So let me tell you what, I enjoy cooking. One thing that I enjoy is cooking. The reason I enjoy cooking is because I get to cook what I like. I want to use a plate to chop this beetroot because I don't want to wash this chopping board. Or I'm lazy to wash it. Trying to work efficiently. Can call it being lazy. I call it being efficient. Oh my goodness. So beetroot xa ndiyiphekayo ndiyayinquma. Yabo? Ndiyiqobula amaqolo. Ukwenzela ikhawuleze, especially if I'm cooking. I'm not cooking a lot. Asikho kaninzi kakhulu. We are only 4. It's me, my aunt and uncle, and my cousin brother. So I'm not cooking a lot for food. It's just It's just for 4 people, yabo. So that's what I am doing. I didn't even mention inyama ezophekwa. I'm not even sure, let me check. Okay, butternut esesitovini ne-beetroot. So ngoku sizakwenza isalad. Uyakhumbula mosibenthe we have these babies. That sizokwenza i-Greek or green salad. Andiyazi i-Greek xa itheni, oba i-Greek xa ifakwe i-Greek salad, Greek. What is that thing? Yona leyo. Or Greek salad dressing. I-Greek xa ifakwe i-Greek salad dressing okanye i-Greek salad. Something is burning away. Oh, and nothing is burning. Hlihliza butternut. Let's take out the ingredients for the salad. The salad. We have apples and we have lettuce. Oh, we also have this one. Yeah, we also have feta. We have the whole material. We have red onion, we have cucumber, we have also have lomshin, feta. What else is in this fridge that we can use? Yeah. And we'll have and we'll do we'll grate a bit of what? We'll grate a bit of carrot to make it colorful. Oh, but we don't need it if we have. Oh, we need it. We need it, eh? We need it. Okay, mostly ndaba. Oh, but iba presentable xa inqunqiweyo, but let's not know it. Let's just pull it like this. Singayenzi be fine. See and then isalad yethu uyaqonda. That's what we are doing. I'm not gonna do a lot because also we don't want it to go to waste. I'm not sure ukuthi ithandwa kangakanani apha endlini, but I don't like it. I like it I like its veggies individual. Like I'll eat your carrot, I'll eat your feta, I'll eat your cucumber, I'll eat everything individually, not in a salad. So I'm not sure between balulayo, but andifuni ife. I mean, like, I don't want it to buy pin back on and for also no. Here is our pale. But okubalulekileyo is that sizohlutha. Okay, ibhitruthi ivuthiwe. So I want to tell the water up. Don't throw away the beetroot water. So we're gonna tell it here. So let's take this one. We go to here. Is a salad sendiyenzile lettuce ne cucumber. I'm now chopping the onion. Oh my goodness. I'm not doing a lot. Essentially almost because andikho sure uba uburamen ubana lithini bayalike nesalad. So yeah, I'm not doing a lot of onion as well, just in bits and pieces. Bits and pieces is what I'm doing. And then ibe what do we call this? Be tomato. I'm thinking now we don't have a dressing, but I'll make it. Ndicinga uba ndizayenza i-dressing okanye let me not make tomato. I'm thinking let me not make tomato ndingayifaka apha kwisalad, ndenze like tomato gravy kanje, so that ibe saladish on the gravish on the salad. Man, I think let me do it like that because about dry ukutya. And ke ngoku kulaa uba nam ndingumntu oyithandayo ndingumntu okuthandayo ukutya okune-gravy, because ndiyakuthanda shama ukutya okune-gravy. I feel like i-gravy is another thing. So it is another thing nje ndiyathanda uba ibe khona. Yaqonda ke ma-gents. I'm not sure if it's a good idea where ndiyifake ngoku le nto. Just think. Because kaloku sana xaba le icucumber ntoni avocado zalapha xaba yonto intle because sana ungayichaza ubana yintoni ebangela ubana ibe mbi kangaka i-avocado. Akho sidingo sikhona uba ibe mbi kangaka, akho sidingo tu. Andikwazi noyidayisa kakuhle because ithambe kakhulu, and on top of that ibomoshakala. This is my favorite, but I don't like it when it has too much pepper. Pepper yona iyayenza taste emnandi again. I don't want to lie, but sometimes nje iyahlupha apha emlonyeni. Okay, I'm thinking that show this one. Ndiyazenza ke sanizitya xa ndiphekayo, but what is nice about me is that ndizenza ndizihlamba, because ngoku ndizazihlamba. Let me not throw this away. Ngoku ndizazihlamba, yabo. Yileyo qha into nice ngam is that ndizenza ndiziskunmaka. I put this in the fridge before ndifake itomato, because I do not want it to be so. Okay, I'm quickly doing onions for the tomato gravy. Ndizimele lanto. Sana ndikuxelela ngam, i-beetroot is not a lot. Ilanto, i-butternut is not a lot. Akho nto iyelot nje kwento ndizenza. Andiyazi no akubento. Awubona icele elinedika kanjani, elinexolo apha kulo ngaphakathi nokuba uchuba ngoku phezu koba itswele kuphandla kakade nokuba uphandla izinto ezi-unnecessary. So while ndisenza le ndaba ndiyenzayo phana, I need to figure out ukuthi isebenza kanjani ntoni lana efraya. Andiyazi ke sana, ingathi indaba le yokufaka ukutya ayikho. Normally ndidla ngofaka ifoil, ndidla ngofaka ifoil ngoku ayikho. But let's call my sister. My sister uzasinceda ngale ndaba. Let's quickly call her.
Sister.
Yebo, unjani?
Ndiyaphila, khonto kunjani?
Good. Where is your video?
Wait, I'm not home. I'm gonna call you when I get home.
Tell me Ima before uhambe. I-air fryer inyanzeleke isoloko inalaa ndaba yokufaka ukutya uphepha ntontona. Ndakuthiwa yiphepha ntoni xa ibizwa?
That brown thing in it.
Ewe, andiyakuthiwa yintoni.
Yeah, so what's your question?
Can I cook without it?
Yeah, you can.
Ayizumosha anything. I can just cook without it and wash it and wash the actual.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Utsho ke my sister uthi kaloku sani air freshener. Air fryer ndihlangana nayo apha eGambahambeni. And kwalapha eGambahambeni I figured, ndayikhangela laa nto. Well, I know ukuthi ifanele uba inayo laa nto. Andiyazi kuthiwa yintoni mani laa nto. Ifanele inayo, yabo. So ndasebenzisa ifoil apho ndandiyisebenzisa khona. Ngoku nalapha ngathi ayikho, akho nefoil ke ngoku. So andifuna umosha mntasekhaya. Mandifowunele umntu oyaziyo, uyaqonda, andixelele. But xa ndiyijonga ke i-air fryer yalapha iyabonakala uba ike yaskunmakwa before. Caba lo mntu wayephekile yatshela, yabo, wayiskunmaka rough. So I want us to discover to use that. Iyalayithi kuqala ndingasebenzisi kanti ndingasebenzisi efreshner kanti yacima. Ayisalayithi kwayo. Where is the power button? All right. Yes. Okay. These are, what do you call them? Marinated already. Yeah. So mhlambe I can just put marinate apparently. I'll just put them in the oven and check them later if they need some some seasoning or what. But for now, let's just put them in. I think. Oh, it's not a full kebab. It's not a full wing. Don't like it. What do you call this thing? Put that. Okay, open and put. Okay, babe, guess Dana. You can buy it right for this meal that I'm cooking because it's not Also, I know ukuthi ndiyazenza into yokuhlamba izandla. Hayi ndiyayenza shem yona. I know myself. Izandla zami xa zimdaka isengathi ziyarhawuzelela. xa zimdaka xa ndigqiba uphatha into nje isingathi ziyachazela. I want to show you this thingy. Let me switch on the light this side so that you see what I'm talking about. Woo! This is lo mshini ndithetha ngawo. And then go, what happens after dual cook? No. Left, right cook, yes. We'll have to turn it, okay, off. Yeah? Okay, I'm assuming if green is indicating, because the air freshener, why do I keep on saying air freshener? Let me put you closer to what I'm doing. Yes. Yintoni na nkosi yam? Air fryer lapha man. Le air fryer ine dual thingies. So I'm assuming that xa iflickerisha ku right, inoba ithi ndipheka ngo right. Oh my goodness. Oh no, not dual. Oh yes. So if it was dual, it will flicker on dual cook. So now I'm using only right, it's doing right. The chicken dinner, and then 200 degrees. No, let's put it down to oh, this is time. Oh, this is time. Okay, let's say for how long? For 15 minutes. Masicho. Temperature. Oh, the temperature thing I don't want my hands. Pause. Let's switch it off. The phone ball by is out. And cool. And yes, by 7 I'm still figuring it out. But I don't know what kwenzeka ntona, but kwenzeka into engafanele ngenzeka. Okay? All right. Oh, sesibane siyaseyivezela ntoni ngathi ndikrobile, but it's fine. What I'm saying is that I'm trying to figure the machine out. Ithethe omnye umkhumsho endawaziyo end. All these lights says phaa kulaa nto ndiyifake phayana ndilibele ukubuza. Was I not supposed to rub mafutha on that marinated chicken? It looks so dry. Okanye kuba ingekavuthwa, it was 15 minutes. It has 15 minutes incinci. Hey. I'm not sure. I don't know. Phela, the first and the last time I used that machine, I was doing ribs, and the ribs were like heavily marinated. Yabo. And as far as we foil, ne-gravy yazo, ne-marinate yazo, yabo, and they did the things. Umshini lo nimenzayo ngoku i-chicken kebabs. I was on as yacho ba Portuguese don't marinated, but was I not supposed to put anything like no mafuta or something? Just nje uwathambisa ngaphezulu. But sizobona. Ingathi bonakala dry. Ithi shake ke uthi shake. This manga siso ezisehlayo ingathi iyatsha yabo, at the same time it's crying blood. Yeah, but mana abantu badla ngokuthi airfryer yakhawulezisa, mhlawumbi into engathi iyatsha. Ndiyazi ngiyakufuna ndiphinde ndibise. Late. Shake 2 minutes. Zayongeza xa lifika ixesha layo. Kwangoku ixesha litafika iyatsha indaba kwelaa cala. Okay, I want to show you. Let me use this fork. I want to show you. Ndizanibonisa njani na nkosi. Oh. I want to show you my tomato gravy. It's doing the things. One thing about me, Kesana, tomato gravy, but it is ngapha, yeah. Ndithanda with chunky tomatoes. Ndiyandithandaze ke uba abantu endizabaphekela bayithande ngalo mseto nabo. Ndiyithanda with chunky tomatoes and I love them crunchy. Yabo. Grated, yes, right. But I also like it like this. Well, grated, it's fine. Most of the sushi Likolo endingayithandiyo when ufumanise kubana it's mushy, but umntu akhangayigrate. Ingase kumxa imushi vele be mushy once. Ingabe mushy ufumanise ke ixolo letumato nayo liyadada apha kuyo. Malingadadi ngcono ibe nje. Amen besende nixele moske. But one of the reasons I love cooking is because I cook what I like. I cook what I like, son. I used to ask a lot, when are we gonna cook? But not anymore. And what are we gonna cook? So in so well, sometimes I do hlanganisa, but there are days up on oh, I wanted to show you that I have drained the water from the beetroot. So I'm drinking it. Good. You're right. Akala mna ndenza into eyi-1 emsebenzi. Iitumato zilinywa kanjani yonke laa jazz. Tada! The end.